Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Stihl concrete saw. Alright guys, we're gonna go here on the top. Like that, we're gonna see what type of steel is. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I don't try to teach you anything, I don't try to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more feature. It's not enough. And the one sound. I'm also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Wow, look at that guys. Oh yeah, they changed the piece or everything was brand new. What? I'm gonna put the front now like that you can take a peek. Anyway, since we're here, let's go like that. Usually I go by the front. Alright. If I'm not mistaken, this is a Stihl 460, I think it says there. 460 concrete saw. Alright. Let's go by the front. Like that, we don't waste no time. Look at that. Wow. Huh? Look at that baby, huh? Too much shining around here. Too much shining going on. I love it. It's a sad day. I couldn't start it. I'm gonna show you why. I don't have this handle. I have a lot of handles. I try it, and all the ones that I have, my God, I have everywhere. And I do not have exactly the one from this one. And it's a sad day, but it is what it is. And it looks like it's working. At least it goes off. You know, I don't know how good it is, but guys, I can. All right. Here is so inside here. You can see it. Okay, let me check the acceleration to see if it's working. Yeah, I think out of that, the rest is fine. I think that was the only problem. You can see it's been sitting down for a while. I'm gonna put everything back and throw some good pictures. This is from the top. The filter, of course, has to be dirty. You need to clean it, but it looks like it's the original one. And we got this. Alright. We're gonna put everything back like I will always do. Remember, take everything apart like that. I can show you better. I can be more honest with you guys. Like that, when you receive the machine, you can be honest with me too, okay? For the muffler. Alright, that's it. You can see that it looks like either they changed the inside or it's just been sitting down for a while. And we can get to that conclusion if you want, but you look at the bottom. It looks to me like maybe it was sitting down in a place, they never did nothing, and maybe that's why you can see what you see. My opinion, don't listen to me, I'm a salesperson. Alright guys, thank you. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Bueno, ya saben, no pude poner la... ¿Cómo se dice eso? Pensé en poner la música en pausa. Traté de buscarla de esos gorditos y mira que tengo de todo tipo y no tenía para ese. Lo he usado en otras máquinas, empecé a buscar mis tanques, saqué por aquí, saqué por allá. Yo tengo muchas, pero no tengo esta, así que lo voy a ordenar para que no me vuelva a pasar esto. Discúlpenme, es un día triste, una maquinita tan linda. Miren eso, qué belleza. Qué bien cuidadita está, en qué sentido. Parece que ya lo que estaba puesta en un lugar por mucho tiempo. Ve cómo está hacia abajo. Porque si te fijas a fijar todo lo que es el otro de ella, luce sin el problema. Bueno mi gente, ya saben, no hay mucho que enseñar, no lo puedo aprender, triste, pero bueno. Ahí está todo, voy a tirar buenas fotos, bueno que se me una la raza.